Hey folks, and thank you for purchasing Insider Software's Fontagent Server 9. Today we're going to give you a brief overview of the product and the installation process. It's a real quick process, and we've streamlined it quite a bit from our older versions of software. So if you're familiar with our older versions of software, some things will be different. So please pay attention. It's an easy installation. Once you've received your download links, you'll download the software, be presented with this installer. You'll install the product. You'll go through the various buttons here and it'll ask you to install. You'll be asked to add your computer's password for administrative access. And it'll present this as successful, and now you have the applications folder automatically open and presenting you Fontagent Server 9. Once you do that, you'll launch this little mini server app here, and it'll go out and check the status of the server, and in this case it's not running. You might want to check for updates just in case everything's up to date. You can choose the port. You can start the server. It'll ask you to enter in your password again. And once the server starts, you will hit the button Open in Browser. And from there, you'll enter in the email address that you were given from the email we sent you once you purchased the software. And you'll use the forget password to create a new password for yourself, unless you're upgrading from an existing server where you'll use that information. Click sign in, and now you have your server 9 up and running. You can see we're in version 9.06. We've added a new function here called tags, where you can add tags for fonts, giving things like license information, classification information, etc. And if you used our products before, you'll notice that a lot of these things are very similar. And then I'll just note a settings tab where you can make some more server configurations. That's it. You're up and running. You're ready to add fonts, ready to get started with Fontagent Server. Thank you very much. Have a great day.